Let's face it, building a product that does not solve a real problem is like throwing darts in the dark. You might hit the target, but most of the time you won't. That's why the journey from discovery to delivery is critical in product management. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to uncover real customer needs, validate your ideas, deliver a solution that matters, whether you're building a new product or improving an existing one. These steps will transform your approach. Let's get started. Discovery is where it all begins. It's about identifying problems worth solving and making sure you're tackling the right ones. Here's how to do it effectively. Talk to your customers. Start by conducting customer interviews. Ask open-ended questions like, what's the biggest challenge you face while doing X, and what tools you wish existed. You'll be amazed at the insight these conversations can reveal. Survey for scale. While interviews give you depth, surveys help you to see trend at scale. Use tools like Google Forms or Typeform to gather data on pain points, preferences, and behaviors. Run experiments. Before committing resources to a full build, test your assumption. For example, create a landing page for your idea and track interest through signups or clicks, or build a quick prototype to get user feedback. Now that you've identified potential problems, the next step is validation. Here's a simple cycle you can follow. Define the problem. Clearly articulate the problem you're trying to solve. For instance, freelancers struggle to track billable hours effectively. Test the problem. Share the problem statement with your target users. Does it resonate? Do they agree it's a pain point? Iterate based on feedback. If users don't see it as a major issue, refine your focus until you hit something that matters. Once you've validated the problem, it's time to ideate solutions. Gather your team for a brainstorming session and encourage wild ideas. Quantity over quality at this stage. Use techniques like Crazy 8. Challenge everyone to sketch 8 ideas in 8 minutes. Mind mapping. Start with the problem in the center and branch out with potential solutions. After brainstorming, prioritize ideas using frameworks like RICE, effort versus impact. This ensures you focus on solutions that deliver the most value with the least effort. With a solid idea in hand, it's time to build a prototype. But remember, this isn't your final product. A prototype is just a test drive to get feedback from users. Use tools like Figma for wireframes or low-code platforms to create a functional prototype. Once you have users' feedback, iterate quickly and get buy-ins from stakeholders like engineering, design, and leadership. From here, you will move to build your MVP, your minimal viable product. This is the simplest version of your product that solves the core problem. It's not about perfection, it's about learning and improving. And here's where delivery comes in. Launch your MVP to a small group of users. Gather continuous feedback and iterate. Don't stop here. True product success comes from constant refinement based on real-world uses. Remember, solving problems isn't a one-time effort, it's an ongoing process. So let's recap. Start with discovery by talking to users. Validate the problems you uncover. Brainstorm solutions and move step by step to deliver a product that truly solves real problems. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your team. And let me know in the comment what's the biggest challenge you face in the product discovery. I'd love to help. Until next time, keep building products that make a difference.